Install the hinge to the door panel using crosshead screws. Then install the metal plate to the door panel with crosshead screws. Then mount the door panel to the cabinet door using flathead screws. Continue installing hinges to the drawer front and door panels. Note, here, the cabinet door handle screws must go through the metal plate to mount the handle. Take out the upper drawer panel. Install the door catch with crosshead screws. Then install the door catch onto the middle bracket. Take out the base plate without door catch. Install it to the middle bracket using hex socket screws. Pay attention to the groove position here. Take out the right bracket, install it onto the base plate. Then take out the small shelf. Align the groove position. Install it onto the middle bracket. Then take out the left bracket, install it onto the small shelf. Straighten the frame. Insert the long back panel into the base plate groove. Then take the upper panel with door catch facing down. Install it onto the frame. Insert the small back panel on the side. Next, install the small shelf. Then install the small back panel and small shelf in order. Take out the top panel, with the groove facing down, and mount it onto the frame. Next, attach the round bar to the frame. Then fasten the hinge on the door panel to the cabinet using small screws. Then install the hinges on the small grid cabinet door. The installation is now complete.